Ian, Wise Engineering, thanks for the invite today, but can you tell us about your company?
Yeah, we were established in 1986. My parents started it. I took over 5 years ago, moved down to a new industrial estate, new unit, and invested quite heavily in modern machinery, try and get cycle times down, utilise the machines to how they should be used, and the cutting tools, how they should be used.
Yeah, he's talking about getting cycle times down. Obviously, the obvious one is the machine tools. There's a Herker behind us, but like you say, cutting tools equally as important.
Very important. You need to utilise the tool as much as you can, and the machine. We've tried various brands of cutting tools, and we found the ZCC range is brilliant.
What tools do you use from ZCC?
Everything. We use solid carbide, tipped face mills, high feed cutters. Our turning tools are all ZCC, U-drills, pretty much everything across the range we use.
And I presume you've obviously tried these tools. You're not buying them on price, you're buying them on performance.
No, on performance. Price is an issue as well because they are very well priced, but the performance is second to none in my view.
So the job we've seen today, obviously that's trochoidal milling and high feed milling. How's that compared to tools you've used in the past?
It's unbelievably, the cycle time can reduce it. If you're going from an hour cycle time, you can get down to 10-15 minutes. It is really good.
And what material is this demo?
This one's mild steel, but we have machined EN24, all ranges of steel we machine with the tools.
And how about the cutting data?
This particular job on the high feed, we are cutting as fast as the machine will go. We've on the face, and we are fast traversing. In fact, the feed is 16,000 millimetres a minute. On the high speed, we're cutting at 10,000 RPM at 10,000 millimetres a minute, 25 mil depth of cut with a 5% width of cut.
And what we have to remember, we're saving time, we're saving money, aren't we?
Definitely saving money for our customers. That's at the end of the day. That's what it's all about.
I've just spoke with Ian Wise. He's over the moon with your tooling. Christian, what's being used?
Well, on the first stop on the left-hand side, we've roughed the majority of the stock off with the XMR01 high feed cutter, 50mm diameter, getting some excellent results with this product, one of our star products.
So with this high feed tool, can it be used for many different things, ramping, interpolating?
Yeah, you can face with it, you can plunge, you can ramp, you can shoulder mill with it. Very versatile, really.
And what material groups does this cater for?
We've got appropriate grades for all the material groups, heat resistance, stainless and steel, everything that you'd need.
So the high feed mill, in fact it's facing at 24 metres, that's impressive. But what's equally as impressive is the solid carbide trochoidal milling.
Yeah, another one of our star products, that's the UM cutter. Excellent feed rates from that product. What we find about the special about that is it's the core strength of the product. It's exceptional.
So I know we're talking about milling here, but you've got a large range at ZCC.
Yeah, we've got every tool that you need. We've got turning tools, the steel products, face mill, boring, back ends, a full complement.
And you've got lots of customers now. In fact, you're having record growth year on year. Is this a typical client, or do you have blue chip customers as well?
Yes, we do. We've got customers in all sizes of this size and all the way up to, as you say, the blue chip customers.
I know you've had a record January, so 2019 is going to be an exceptional year, maybe.
We're hoping so. We've had a flying start. It's very good so far.
How long have you been using ZCC?
We've been using ZCC about 5 years now. When we bought our first Herco, we tried various brands, like I say, and David from Glendower brought the ZCC range to us. We tried it and we've never looked back since. They've been really good.
And how about the representation? It's one thing buying the cutting tool, but you guys, you're locked in this facility. You don't always see the latest technology, do you? So from ZCC's point of view, are they good engineers?
Yes, brilliant. Yeah, we get great support from all of them, from David from Glendower to David from ZCC, Christian from ZCC, everyone. It's good support throughout the board.
So let's fast forward 2 or 3 years. Where are you going to be?
New unit, hopefully with more space, more machines, and continued support from ZCC.